Let me go across to Aishwarya. The mining secretary has confirmed to you, Aishwarya, when it comes to the talks that are underway, when it comes to HCL as well as Codelco at this point in time. Help our viewers understand what would this mean if the talks are on, once they progress, in case a JV is formed there. What would it mean for the company Hindustan Copper going forward, and what could be the timelines and the next processes that will be required once this comes to fruition?
Well, copper, one of the commodities, it has touched all-time high in the recent
Yes.
past and is in that breakout zone as well. So it's pretty important to take a look at HCL and how this news will really benefit this particular company. So Hindustan Copper has been in talks with Chile-based Codelco, which is the world's largest copper producer. What this will, of course, do if the joint venture goes through, they are assessing two of major virgin blocks in Chile is what we are given to understand. And as the mines secretary has confirmed, this is in advanced talks, and they will try to finalize and see what kind of copper grade can they really extract out of Codelco. What this will also do is HCL has a target of at least 12 MMT by 2031, and Codelco's extraction or production could be an addition to that target that they've set internally as well. So could bode well for HCL going forward as well. In December, their team of delegates will be visiting Chile in order to assess all of these mines and take a look at what could be done going forward. What we also understand is that approval will be needed from the cabinet in order to go ahead, because this will also mean a huge investment from the ministry's side as well. So Mine Secretary there confirming that HCL is in talks with a joint venture with Codelco.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Aishwarya.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.